Hey guys, Lemon here. So today we are going to go visit the 3 dogs in my life. So we got sausage, which is my cat, but let's go to the dogs because that's what I like. So let's go to the dogs. Okay guys, we are outside currently walking down the driveway. It is very sunny outside.
Yeah, show them the view.
Well, I will. My brother's with me. Is it okay if you show your face every once in a while? Just a glimpse? Alright. Just me. The sun is glaring into the screen. I can barely see it. But we'll be back with you when we're actually there. We are at... See all those houses? All those beautiful houses? You're going to get in the shot. He's in the shot. We're standing in this house. Don't smack it. Let's walk. We're almost there. If I can get into the shadow. See that house on the corner right there? That's the pup's house. House we're going to. What?
Did you do a vlog or something?
No, sort of. I did this at Petco. Whatever. Alright, we're walking down. We'll be right back. Okay, guys. They came out. Yeah, they're in the garage. You hear that barking? We have arrived. I can see them already. We're walking down the driveway where we come. I see Tuk Tuk. Okay. The big golden retriever is Tuk Tuk. The brown golden retriever is Apollo. And the tiny little terrier is Georgie Poo. Down at Guitar's favorite. Finally. Actually see me. Alright. Let's see. I want to check one thing. No, because it was locked. Right. Okay. Ready? I know you probably can't see him, but give me 1 second. Hey, Tuk Tuk! Tuk Tuk! Hi! And they're gone! George! Come here, baby! Hey, look! George, this is Georgie Poo. Tuk Tuk! Look at them go! There's a Polly. You probably can't see, but follow down. Get out! I think they might be trying to attack the tablet. Intense. I can see Tuk Tuk just sitting there. Oh, so cute. All right. Oh, he's going. They attacked me. They're vicious. Vicious. Alright, are we going back into the scene of the crime? I'm sorry about the glare. I can try and hold you up so you can see it better. There's George. Probably can't see him, but there he is in the background. There he is. And he's gone. Oh no. There's a Polly. There's Tuk Tuk. Hey, Tucky. He's the family dog. Can you have a pet? Without getting viciously attacked.
Make sure I don't forget my glasses.
Tuk Tuk. The sweetie pie. Hey, sweet.
Okay, make sure I don't forget my glasses.
Alright. Lemon will not forget the glasses. Right. You're gonna get a full view. There they are. That red blob is my brother. He doesn't want to be seen, but he will never know. Never know. Guys, I haven't used my camera yet. If you were wondering, probably never will. But we've just been struggles. We have to connect it. Oh, they're gone. They're gone. I think they went down to the field. We have a field in our neighbor's backyard. They own a field. So let's go. I'll be right back. Okay, we have entered the field. There they are. Here he comes. Oh, no, never mind. Here comes George. Georgie, hi. Oh, you got a streak of brown coming in. Say hi. This is Georgie Poo. Oh, sweetheart. Vicious sweetheart. He attacks all the other dogs. But he's just a sweet pie, aren't you? Look at the camera. and go see what the others are doing. Come on. Oh, they are. Son, they are currently. Oh, there we go. Eating my brother. Oh, my dog. Oh, here comes Tuk Tuk. That big fuzzy thing is Tuk. Oh, shoves into the spotlight as always. That big fluffy thing next to this little spotlight hogger is Tuk Tuk. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I know it was short and all, but gotta spend time with the dogs. Georgie loves you. Little spotlight hogger. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!